It was the night before Christmas. The forest was still. Not a twig was snapping on the frost-covered hill. Funkin hung warm socks on a crooked tree branch. Loop Motton checked lists, not taking a chance. Fook coaxed the fox puppies with a whispering plea. Then bells chimed so softly through stump and tree. 4 furry puppies came gliding on moon-silver snow, with a red-capped old gnome laughing. Ho, ho, ho! He left warm honey and winked once more. Merry Christmas, and stepped through the door. The pet squirrel ate pie. The mice had a treat. We laughed, then grew quiet, and drifted to sleep. Good night, little forest, for love is near us.